Hi there, Dayna Isom Johnson here, Etsy's trend expert, freshly out of the shower. Going to try to be my own beautician today, trying out some new Etsy products. Today I am trying Rise Curly Flaxseed Gel along with her curly oil. And so I'm just going to apply this in sections, parting each section of my hair, diffusing it to make it curly and bigger and better. My hair is now diffused and dry after using Rise Curly Flaxseed Gel, and then I like to finish it off using her oil here. Just a little squirt, work it through my fingers just to give it a little bit more lift as well as shine. But I really like her product because it allows my curls to still feel soft without feeling crunchy and still gives them a lot of bounce and movement. So I'm really into her products. And if you want to find and try out some natural hair care products, just search natural hair care products on Etsy. You'll get lots of different options and you can be your own beautician. In the meantime, I'm just going to continue to bounce and play along with my bouncy curls right now. Bye!